Okay, today we're here at the picnic tables between Knott's Berry Farm and Suck City, and we're here to try these. I don't know if they're new or not, but they're Irvins salted egg salmon skin, and we actually found this at Costco in Torrance. I've seen them at I think Tokyo Central Japanese market, but they smell kind of fishy. They kind of look like chicharrones. They're kind of, texture-wise, are like chicharrones too. They're very crunchy. Almost taste like chicharrones. They use Atlantic salmon skin infused with the original Dangerously Addictive recipe. Oh, made from a perfect batch of real salted egg, aromatic curry leaves, and red spicy chili. No, spicy red chili. Well, if you like chicharrones, you like these. As long as you're not allergic to salmon. I like them actually. They actually don't taste like fish much. Maybe just a slight fish taste. They kind of smell more like fish than they taste. But not a whole lot either. What you're really getting is like the crispiness and almost the taste of like chicharrones. Okay. Yeah, first ingredient is salmon skin. Must fry it in vegetable oil, and then the egg is salted duck egg yolk, and then seasonings, natural flavors, soy sauce. So let's see, if you're allergic to, or you have allergies or whatever to fish, specifically salmon skin, egg, soybean, milk, or wheat. That's all in here, so don't eat it. Not gluten-free, I guess, right? It is keto. Obviously, it's not vegan either because it's got salmon skin and eggs. Well, how many calories? Let's see. 180 calories for 1 ounce. It says 4 to 8 pieces, depending on how big I guess the pieces are. But yeah, I like these. I like chicharrones, so they're very similar. If you like chicharrones but you don't like, or you're not supposed to have like pork or something, here's a good substitute. I don't remember how much it was, if it's comparable in price to like chicharrones. I think they're more expensive though. But yeah, I'm going to give this an A because I like them. They're better than I thought they'd be. They're a little bit pricey, but that's okay. It's like a once in a while thing that you eat. So yeah. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.